Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of mobile app development animations. Specifically, we'll be diving into how we can make our React Native apps more engaging and visually appealing using the React Native Animatable library. This library is a powerhouse for adding smooth and high-quality animations with minimal effort, making our apps feel more dynamic and interactive. Animations play a crucial role in modern mobile app design. They can guide users through the app, provide feedback on their actions, and enhance the overall user experience. By incorporating animations, we're not just making our app look better, we're also improving its usability and making it more intuitive. In the example we'll be looking at, we've implemented 3 different animations. First, fade-in animation, perfect for introducing elements on the screen gently and elegantly. Second, slide-in animation, great for menus or elements that transition in from off-screen, adding a sense of spatial navigation. Third, pulse animation, ideal for drawing attention to specific actions or notifications, making sure the user notices them. We'll also talk about how to handle exceptions gracefully. This is crucial because it ensures our app remains stable and provides a seamless experience, even if something unexpected happens during an animation. These animations are not just cool, they're practical. They can be applied to a wide range of scenarios in most mobile apps, from welcoming users with a fade-in logo to highlighting important notifications with a subtle pulse. Now let's dive into the code and see how we can bring our app to life with these animations. Starting with the import statements, we bring in necessary components from React and React Native, alongside the React Native Animatable library. This setup is crucial as it lays the foundation for our component, enabling us to use React's features and the specific animation capabilities provided by Animatable. The import statements are our gateway to the vast functionalities these libraries offer, allowing us to create a component that is both interactive and visually appealing. Next, we define myAnimatedComponent, a functional component that serves as the container for our animations. This structure follows the modern React functional component pattern, emphasizing reusability and simplicity. By utilizing functional components, we leverage React hooks and other features that make our code more concise and readable. Within myAnimatedComponent, we define our animations using simple objects. These objects describe the start and end states of each animation, providing a clear, declarative way to outline what the animation should do. For instance, the fade-in animation gradually changes the opacity of an element from 0 to 1, making it smoothly appear on the screen. This approach to defining animations underscores the power of React Native Animatable, allowing developers to create complex animations with minimal code. The Animate with Try-Catch function demonstrates how to execute animations with error handling. By wrapping our animation calls in a try-catch block, we can catch and log any errors that occur during the animation process. This not only prevents our app from crashing due to animation errors, but also aids in debugging by providing meaningful error messages. Finally, the return statement of our component uses JSX to render the UI elements and apply the animations. JSX is a React extension that allows us to write UI components in a syntax similar to HTML, making it easier to visualize the component's layout. The use of Animatable, View, and Animatable text components from the React Native Animatable library enables us to apply our defined animations directly to React Native elements, showcasing the seamless integration between React Native and the Animatable library. In wrapping up, this code exemplifies how animations can transform a React Native app, making it more lively and engaging. By integrating the React Native Animatable library, we've seen how straightforward it is to add smooth, high-quality animations that can significantly enhance the user experience. This example not only serves as a foundation for implementing animations, but also highlights the importance of error handling in creating robust applications. The animations demonstrated here are versatile and can be adapted or extended for various use cases, underscoring the code's reusability and efficiency. By following React and JavaScript best practices, such as functional components and declarative programming, this example aligns well with modern web development principles, making it a valuable learning tool for developers familiarizing themselves with these technologies. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.